Dance of Birds by Mir Foote. In ruffled dress of brightest hue, or silvered gowns of white and grey, in styled suit of earthy brown, or solemn black, all greet the day. The sunlight wakes the morning ball, and sharply breaks across a floor bedecked in dew like silver stars, left over from the night before. The dancers come in threes and fours, bow to the wind in flurried flight, joining once more on feathered wing, walk out upon the rays of light. The choir erupts among the leaves, the sky has turned from black to gold, the music thrills upon the wind, the oldest language ever told. And how the dancers leap and sway, now bold, now shy, now high aloft, as throats give voice to first of day, piercing and sharp and sweet and soft. And all of life awakes once more in that song devoid of words, primal praise to dark's defeat, within the dawn of dancing birds.